welcome back to the kitchen. We are continuing our Christmas in July celebration, and we're going to share with you today this fabulous, amazing, delicious cherry cheesecake dip. You can make this as a dip, or I'm going to share with you how you can make this into a beautiful, fluffy cheesecake parfait. I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Continue on with our Christmas in July celebration. We're gonna make a little bit something sweet and delicious that you can share any time of year. But you know, we like to bring out these sweet treats at the holidays. So what we're gonna start with is 1 8-ounce brick of cream cheese softened, a 12-ounce container of marshmallow cream, I believe this was an 8-ounce tub of whipped topping. Now look, this is not my favorite thing to use in the whole world, but this is one of those recipes, kind of like when I use cream soups. Sometimes when you get these old favorites, you just have to use them. Now, you can use whatever kind you like. I prefer to use a brand called True Whip, but that's entirely up to you. You just use what you're going to use. This is just a regular kind. I have a cup of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, a tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 1 can of cherry pie filling. You can use whatever kind of pie filling you like: strawberry, blueberry, raspberry, apple, peach. You make this yours. Today we're going to do cherry because it's festive and Christmassy looking, and I think pretty traditional. I'm going to go ahead and soften this cream cheese just with the mixer. So we're going to go in with the sour cream and the marshmallow cream. And there's probably a whole bunch of different versions of this out on the interwebs. And if you have a favorite version, that's what you should do. But I thought this would be a fun something to share for Christmas in July. I'm going to add in my lemon juice and my vanilla. And we're going to beat this together. All right, so now we've got our beautiful cream cheese mixture all ready to go. And honestly, all you have to do now is fold in this Cool Whip. Just fold it in. You don't want to use the mixer because it'll deflate that. When you fold in, you just go down in the middle, come up the side, and flip it. Turn the bowl, go down the middle, up the side, and flip it. Now, we're going to put this in a pie dish so that we can serve it on a dessert tray or buffet. It's a great thing to take to a picnic or potluck, barbecue, what have you. But you could also make little cheesecake parfaits with that. Look, there's a little marshmallow cream that escaped. And you could put this in little plastic cups if you're going to serve this to a crowd. Put this in some little plastic cocktail glasses. Put some graham cracker crumbs in the bottom. Put a scoop of this. And then put more graham cracker crumbs and kind of layer it like a parfait. And then top it with the fruit topping. And then you have a beautiful, simple little cheesecake parfait that I think everyone will love. I think there are a lot of uses here. I'm going to taste this filling. Oh yeah. Oh, that's really good.
Yeah?
Yeah. That's really good. The addition of the lemon juice and the vanilla really do make this taste very much like a no-bake cheesecake.
Only better.
And then what we're just going to do is we're going to take our can of cherry pie filling or whatever pie filling you choose to use and just spoon it on the top. You don't have to cover the whole thing. Now, all you need is some graham crackers. Well, there you have it. Our cheesecake dip is all ready to go. Remember, I told you that we could make this into a beautiful cheesecake parfait, little individual portions, or if you were so inclined, you could make this in a trifle dish and you could layer it with the crushed graham crackers and the filling and the cherries, and then top it with whipped cream and have a beautiful cherry cheesecake trifle, or whatever fruit you choose to use. But really, if you just take this to like a potluck or to put on a dessert buffet to share, just make sure you take plenty of graham crackers, and then you're just going to dip it right on in, and then that's how you're going to eat it. Just like that. You ready to taste?
I have to.
There you go. Dangerous, right?
Very.
I also wanted to mention, for those of you who are working through a sugar restricted diet, you can get sugar-free pie filling. You just need to look, and some stores do offer it. You can get that sugar-free. Sadly, you cannot get sugar-free marshmallow cream. So I feel like if you want to make different choices in certain places, there's no sugar in the cream cheese. There's no sugar in the sour cream. Of course, I think you can get reduced sugar Cool Whip or whipped topping, so you might want to look into that. But no matter what you do, I mean, everything in moderation. The holidays are special. A couple of bites of this is not going to kill anyone. So that is how you make a delicious cherry cheesecake dip. I hope you give this a try sometime soon, and I hope you love it. And until next time, happy holidays!